Ever thought about making some extra cash online? The Amazon affiliate program might be the perfect side hustle. It's simple and can be done from anywhere. First, sign up for the program. Once approved, you'll get access to a unique affiliate link for millions of products. Share these links on your blog, social media, or even through email. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that easy. Now, let's talk strategy. Choose a niche that excites you. Whether it's tech gadgets, home decor, or fitness gear, focusing on a specific area can attract a dedicated audience. Create engaging content around your chosen products. Think reviews, how-to guides, or even comparison posts. The more valuable your content, the more likely people will trust your recommendations. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your posts with relevant keywords to help them rank higher in search engines. This will drive more traffic to your links. Social media is another great tool. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok to reach a wider audience. Tracking performance is crucial too. Use Amazon's reporting tools to see which products are selling and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistency is key. It might take time to see significant earnings, but with dedication, the potential is huge. Plus, it's a fun way to share products you love while earning some cash on the side. So why not give it a shot? Dive into the Amazon affiliate program today and start turning your recommendations into revenue.